Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be making use of pork to cook, and we're going to be eating it with spaghetti at the end of today's video. Okay, so first off, don't forget to wash your hands before you start cooking. My hands are clean, so that's why I just start with the cutting. So you cut your pork into tiny bits. So after doing this, you clean your hands. So I'm just looking at it. My hands are clean, so um I'm going to clean this. You have to get it clean. Add my onions. So right now I'm going to cut my onions into two. I'm just going to be using one of this. For our pork, we are going to season it now. I'm going to season it with this. This is lemon pepper seasoning. You add your seasoning salt. You add the paprika. And then you mix it together. The next thing is for us to put our oil inside our pan. So we are going to switch it on. This is vegetable oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Now we are going to pan fry the pork. Follow me. So after turning the pork like this, you just take them off the heat. You understand? So put the second set. Yeah. You can also reduce the heat. Reduce the heat to, let's say, 5, so that it will stop splashing on the body. So we are going to pack this one now off the heat. Just like this. Now we are about to make the sauce for the pork. Follow me. So we are waiting for the frying pan to get dry because I had to rinse it because I'm still going to use it again. Okay, so when we are sure that it's dry, the oil I used the other time, I'm just going to put little quantity. Be sure that it's little because you will not want everything to be too much. So you put in your onion. So I'm going to be adding in this classical Alfredo to just little. You don't want to add too much of it. And then you mix it together. Also, we're going to be adding the dry garlic sauce. I'm going to be adding the soy sauce, just little. You can also add more paprika, depending on your taste. So you allow it to simmer. So you put in your fried pork. I'll leave it to simmer for some minutes before I take it off the heat. So I made this pack so that I can eat it with the sauce. Alright, I'll also serve it so you can see how it looks. So our sauce is ready for this pack. I'm just going to serve it.